Xiamen Aquatown Technology Limited belongs to Aquatown, Hong Kong Limited, founded in 2013. Our mother company, Aquatown, Hong Kong Limited, founded in 2008, is a professional designer and manufacturer in beaded industry. Our factory is located in Xiamen City of China, covering an area of 5,000 square meters, more than 70 employees, and 6 production lines, including of 2 dust-free plants with advanced technology to produce 200 million pieces of high-grade products per year. We passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and SMETA. We manufacture and design bidet products, includes bidet seat, bidet attachment, portable bidet, and handheld bidet. In 2023, we launching innovative and original new design, the Fragrant Smart Toilet Seat, which will refresh bathroom and clean the toilet bowl. In the meantime, we have a professional R&D team, which has been paying much high attention to developing our own technologies. Until now, we have got more than 70 patents, include 6 national invents and 2 USA invent. We are good partners of OEM and ODM clients and have been worked with more than 50 OEM and 20 ODM customers to develop their products. We set out the mission to offer professional solutions and qualified products to our customers.